Morning, girls. Welcome to class 9, where we are learning mathematics part 2, that is geometry, and our lesson is going on construction of triangles. So in previous class we have studied construction part 2, and there we have studied two types of construction, and we have solved practice set 4.2, question number 1 and question number 3. And question number 2 was home assignment for you. So I hope you have done your home assignment. Now today we are going to study construction 3. To construct a triangle, if its perimeter, base and the angles which include the base are given. So here we have perimeter, base and the angles which include the base are given. Perimeter means addition of all three sides. So for understand this type of construction, let's see one example which is solved here. Construct triangle ABC such that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11.3 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 70 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree. So to do the construction, the first step is let us draw a rough figure. So here you can see the rough figure where what we have drawn, side PQ which is 11.3 centimeter. Then from point P we have drawn angle of 35 degree which is the half of angle B 70 degree. Then we have draw angle of 30 degree from point Q which is the half of 60 degree, that is angle C. Then we have joined AP and AQ, and then we have constructed the perpendicular bisector of side AP and side AQ, and the intersection point you can see in the diagram which is point B and point C. And in the last step we have joined point B and A, that is AB, then point C and A, that is AC. In this way you have got your triangle which is ABC. So here angle B is 70 degree and angle C is 60 degree. So this is the rough figure, and to write down the explanation you can see here as shown in the figure, point P and Q are taken on line BC such that PB is equal to AB, CQ is equal to AC. Therefore PQ is equal to PB plus BC plus CQ is equal to AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 11.3 centimeter. Here you can see in the diagram. Now in triangle PBA, PB is equal to BA. Here you can see PB is equal to BA. Therefore angle APB is equal to angle PAB, and angle APB plus angle PAB is equal to exterior angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. This is the theorem of remote interior angles. Therefore angle APB is equal to angle PAB is equal to 35 degree. Similarly angle CQA is equal to angle CAQ is equal to will be 30 degree. Now we can draw triangle PAQ as its two angles and the included side is known. Since BA is equal to BP, point B lies on the perpendicular bisector of segment AP. Similarly, CA is equal to CQ. Therefore, point C lies on the perpendicular bisector of segment AQ. Therefore, by constructing the perpendicular bisectors of segment AP and AQ, we can get points B and C, where the perpendicular bisector intersect line PQ. So this is the explanation which comes for 1 mark. Whenever you get the question of construction, you have to do the first step to draw a rough figure, then write down the explanation for 1 mark. You can write it on your own words also, and no need to write down the steps of construction. It's just for our knowledge. So let's see. The first step is draw segment PQ of 11.3 centimeter length. Then draw a ray making angle of 35 degree at point P. Draw another ray making an angle of 30 degree at point Q. Name the point of intersection of the two rays as A. Draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AP and segment AQ. Name the point as B and C respectively, where the perpendicular bisectors intersect line PQ. Draw segment AB and segment AC. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. These steps I have already told you by seeing the rough construction, and this is the final construction. Now to understand this construction, let's see practice set 4.3, question number 2. All three questions are same. If you understand one construction, you can do the construction of other questions also. So let's see the construction part 3. So now we will see practice set 4.3, question number 2. Construct triangle XYZ in which angle Y is equal to 50 degree, angle X is equal to 46 degree, and perimeter of triangle is 10.5 centimeter. As we know, the perimeter of triangle means sum of the all sides of the triangle. That is the, we know that triangle have 3 sides, so the sum of 3 sides, it is 10.5 centimeter. So this is the number construction 3. So as we have seen the explanation before of solved example, so we will not discuss the explanation here. We will do the final construction. And before going to the final construction, let's see the rough figure so that it will be easy for you to understand. So what we have to do, as we have the perimeter of triangle is 10.5 centimeter, so by taking point P and Q, we have to draw the line, that is PQ, of 10.5 centimeter length. Then in point P, we have to make an angle of 29 degree, the half of the 58 degree, that is 29 degree from point P. And then point Q, we have to draw the angle of 23 degree, which is the half of the angle X, that is 46 degree. And then by joining this, we have to construct the perpendicular bisector of point PX, line PX, and also QX. Then you will get this 2 point, which will be YZ, and this will be your X, and this angle will be 58 degree and this angle will be 46 degree. So in this way we have to do the construction. So now let's go to the final construction. Again, what we do, we will draw the segment PQ of 10.5 centimeter. So this is PQ 10.5 centimeter. Now in next step, we will do the half of the 58 degree, that is 29 degree. So here I am drawing 29 degree. Do the construction properly, neat and clean. And then from point Q, we will draw the half of the angle X, that is 46 degree, which will be 23. Now you have to measure it from the left side. So here is the 23. join this two. So this is our point X. Now what we have to do in the next step, perpendicular bisector of PX. So for that, here more than half, one arc here and one arc here. Then from point X, one arc here and one arc here, and just join this two lines, 2 points. This is the perpendicular bisector of point PX. This is our Y. Now similarly, perpendicular bisector of XQ, from Q and now from X. Just increase the arc in this way. Now join this 2 point. So by joining this 2 point, you will get the point intersection, that is Z. Now you can join X, Y and X, Z. Now this is your angle Y, that is 58 degree, and this is your angle Z, that is 46 degree, and this is your required triangle XYZ. You can measure this angle. Yes, it is 58 degree. 58 degree. So in this way, you have to do the third construction when two angles and the perimeter or the sum of all three sides is given. So we have studied in this lesson 3 types of construction. I hope you have understood all 3 construction. You have to solve the practice set 4.3 as home assignment and also problem set 4. And note that in problem set 4, the question number 3 is not in the portion. So just cross this. Okay, but all first, second, 4 is home assignment for you. 3 you have to cut it out, and also practice set 4.3 question number 1, 2 and 3. We have done second question. You have to do all 3 questions. So our lesson has ended here. We have studied 3 types of construction. I hope you have understood it. So just practice it regularly, so it will be easy for you. And start revised all the lessons, as our second evaluation is from 26th October, and first, second, third and fourth lesson are the portion of our second evaluation. Now we will revise all lesson one by one. So you also start preparing yourself and give mock test, which will I give you on Google Classroom. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you.